Hi, welcome in PHP classes. I am Prem Kumar. Today I am going to teach you how to create an array in PHP. In PHP there are two ways to create array by passing value in array function. For example, if I want to create an array, then I am going to pass the value in array function like Amit, Sumit and Mohan. Also we can create an array inside the another index of array like array Sumit, Amit, Mohan and new array like UP, Allahabad and Rambagh. And the second way, by creating index, we can easily create an array by passing the index like वेरिएबल का नाम ब्रैकेट उसके बाद वेरिएबल की वैल्यू. In PHP, two types of array are used. First type index array and second type is associative array. Index array is just array which is created on the index. Here I am going to create an array with the three element Prem, Kumar and Maurya value, and when I will print it, then it will give the output 0 index will store Prem, 1 index will store Kumar and 2 index will store Maurya. In associative array we can just provide the key index of the array. In associative array we can use string as the index of the array. Here name is an index of the Amit value. Here address is the index of Allahabad value. If you want to see, then we will print the student array with the function print r. It will print name index will store Amit Kumar, address index will store Allahabad and course index will store BTech. So we are going to check it by creating it in PHP file. First I am going to create an index array. I am going to put also BR so that line can break. Here I am going to create array with the help of array function. And going to print this array by using print underscore r. Here index array will print by his index. Index array. If you want to see more clear, then right click on your browser and choose view source page. Then it will be more clear, like 0 index will store 1 index will store Sumit and second index will store Rahul. So this is the index array, and I am going to create this array in another format like $array index equal Amit $array, then providing value Sumit $array Rahul, and going to print by the function print r array. Here is same array is printing because no difference between both array, just different on creating array. This is the index array. Now I am going to create associative array. associative array is created by providing its index and its value. First value is stored index. Index may be can string and numeric also. So here I am going to provide index name and giving its value prime, and address index will store value Allahabad. Here we can also give the index value, like 0 can store Mohan. If we are not give any index, then it will directly take the value of 0 and 1 index sequentially. So if you want to print this, then it will show the two index, one name and second index, other than two value will store on 0 and 1 index. Here we can easily see that first index is name, store prime, and second index is address, store Allahabad, and we are not provided the index of Sumit and Amit, then it is taking 0 and 1. If you want to print any array by each iteration, then you can use for each. First value is the array and second value as $key and as well as value. If we don't need key, then we just put value. Here I am just going to print ULLI to show the value of array. And I am going to put the value $value. Before starting the ULLI, we should also start UL. So I am going to open UL, and after the loop I will close UL tag. So here each iteration will perform on this array, and one by one value will show in ULLI. Okay, let's check on this file and refresh it. Now here is Prem, Allahabad, Sumit and Amit is coming in UL tag, ULLI format. So if you want to show their index also, then you can use $key as index value, and this value will hold the index value. So I am going to print the name of array. Array1 will hold $key and their value. So I am going to refresh page. Here is showing array1 name is storing Prem and address is storing Allahabad, and other value is showing. So we learned that how we are creating index array and how we are creating associative array.